Hello everybody, we welcome you to our channel. In this video, we going to discuss about one of the important concept and a useful concept and a basic concept in chemistry, that is about ores. Generally most of us having small confusion between ores and minerals. To clarify that, watch our previous video and this video to clarify it. Because our previous video is about minerals, and this video is about ores. A clear and understandable definition about ores. Ores contain high percentage of metal, from which it can be extracted conveniently and economically. All ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Ores contain high percentage of metals when compared to minerals. For example, ore of aluminium is bauxite, from which aluminium can be extracted. There are different kinds of ores are found in nature. The four primary types of ores are halide ores, carbonate ores, sulfide ores, and oxide ores, in which sulfide ores can be concentrated by fourth flotation method. Example for sulfide ores are galena and zinc blende. The various steps involved in the extraction of pure metals from their ores. Though there are several steps involved in extraction of pure metal from their ores, only 2 steps are considered as important while extracting pure metals from their ores. They are: Step 1 is conversion of ore into oxides of the metal of the interest. And Step 2 is reduction of metal oxides into elemental metal. These 2 steps are considered as important steps while extracting metal from their ores. If the ore is sulfide ore, it can be concentrated by fourth flotation method. History of ores begins over 7,000 years ago. Until the 18th century, gold, copper, lead, iron, silver, tin, and mercury were the only metals mined and used for many things. Iron ores. One of the important ore found in Earth is iron ores. Iron ores are rocks and minerals from which metallic iron can be economically extracted. The ores are usually rich in iron oxides and vary in color from dark gray, bright yellow, or deep purple to rusty red. The iron is usually found in the form of magnetite. It contains 72.4% of iron in it. Hematite, it contains 69.9% of iron in it. Goethite, it contains 62.9% of iron in it. Limonite, it contains 55% of iron in it. And siderite, it contains 48.2% of iron in it. Ores containing very high quantities of hematite or magnetite, typically greater than about 60% iron, are known as natural ore or direct shipping ore, and can be fed directly into iron-making blast furnaces. Iron ore is the raw material used to make pig iron, which is one of the main raw materials to make steel, 98% of the mined iron ore is used to make steel. Magnetite. Magnetite is magnetic, and hence easily separated from the gangue minerals, and capable of producing a high-grade concentrate with very low levels of impurities. The grain size of the magnetite and its degree of commingling with the silica ground mass determine the grind size, to which the rock must be comminuted to enable efficient magnetic separation to provide a high-purity magnetite concentrate. This determines the energy inputs required to run a milling operation. Aluminium ore. Aluminium is also one of the most used metal in the world. It is used for manufacturing of various things. Bauxite is a sedimentary rock with a relatively high aluminium content. It is the world's main source of aluminium and gallium. Bauxite consists mostly of the aluminium minerals gibbsite, baymite, and diaspor, mixed with the two iron oxides goethite and hematite. The aluminium clay mineral kaolinite and small amounts of anatase. Bauxite appears dull in luster and is reddish-brown, white. An alloy of aluminium is used for making aeroplane parts. Aluminum alloy is the most widely used in aerospace development. The alloy has a high yield strength and is a high-grade alloy with excellent fatigue resistance. It is commonly used in sheet form for the wings and fuselage.